When you use a copper filter, it will sit on top of the herbs for the LT3000. So you can put the herb cover, the herb first, and then put this on top of the herb cover. I'm gonna demonstrate you. So I'm gonna use the lavender buds. Lavender also contains sulfur. It has a very little within its essential oil and hydrosol, because the plant make this sulfur chemical to help to prevent the insect invasion of the insect, and that's why the sulfur containing chemical being used as a natural mosquito or tick repellent. After use the copper filter, color become darker, and you can see them. Some of them are lighter color than the others. It's very common for the copper. If you are using the copper distiller, then you're probably very familiar with discoloration. The discoloration actually is the oxidation of the copper. There are two reasons. One is oxidized in air. The second reason, it could be reacted with the sulfur chemicals from the plants. Now I'm going to show you how to restore the bright shiny color of the copper. The chemical we're going to use is citric acid. Citric acid is vitamin C. It's from the citrus. That's why we taste sour from the orange, tangerine. This is organic acid, and it's mild, so it can help clean off the dark color. And a 200 milliliter of the 65 degrees Celsius hot water. So mix them together. Use a spoon. Now we drop in the filter into the citric acid water. Let it soak in there for 5 minutes. Now just grab a little brush and brush it. It does make it better. It's not like a perfect, like go back to like a brand new, but most of the dark points has been removed. Use a cold water, just rinse it off. You can also use the same way, like use this citric acid warm water to soak the copper steel. You want to make it look better, you can just soak it in. Thank you for watching. See you next time.